They told you Bitcoin was the future. They said crypto would make ordinary people rich. They promised freedom from banks, freedom from governments, freedom from inflation. But what if I told you that in just a short time, trillions of dollars vanished, millions of people were left in shock, and the so-called digital revolution started to look more like a carefully designed trap? If you've ever invested in crypto or even thought about it, stay with me, because what you're about to hear might completely change how you see money forever. Welcome back to The Silent Truth, where we talk about what others avoid saying out loud. If you believe financial truth matters, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps this message reach more people who deserve to know what's happening behind the scenes. Bitcoin and the crypto market didn't collapse overnight. This was not an accident. It was a slow buildup of hype, greed, silence, and power. For years, crypto was sold as a miracle. Social media was filled with success stories. Influencers showed luxury cars, private jets, beach houses, all claiming crypto changed their lives. Millions of Americans, especially young investors, jumped in, afraid of missing out. They didn't want to be late to the next big thing. But while regular people were buying, someone else was selling. While you were holding, someone else was exiting. Big institutions, early investors, and insiders knew when to move. They always do. And when the market finally started to fall, panic replaced hope. Bitcoin lost massive value. Other coins fell even harder. Entire portfolios were wiped out. For many people, this wasn't just numbers on a screen. This was life savings, college funds, retirement dreams. What made it worse was the silence. The same voices that hyped crypto suddenly disappeared. Influencers stopped posting. Promises turned into excuses. It's just a correction, they said. Hold longer, they said. But the market kept falling. Trust was broken. Then came the failures. Crypto exchanges collapsed. Platforms froze withdrawals. Some companies admitted they didn't even have the money they claimed to hold. People realized too late that their assets were never really theirs. There were no protections like traditional banks, no insurance, no safety net, just terms and conditions no one read. At the same time, governments started paying attention. Regulators stepped in. Laws were discussed. Investigations began. Crypto, which once claimed to be unstoppable, suddenly looked very fragile. And here's the uncomfortable truth most people don't want to admit. The crypto market depends heavily on confidence. When confidence dies, the system shakes. This doesn't mean blockchain technology is useless. It doesn't mean digital assets will completely disappear. But it does mean the dream that was sold to the public was heavily exaggerated. Crypto was never just about freedom. It was also about speculation, leverage, and massive risk. For American families already struggling with inflation, high rent, and rising costs, crypto losses hit hard. People trusted a system they didn't fully understand, and many paid the price. The lesson here is not to hate crypto. The lesson is to question hype, especially when money is involved. On The Silent Truth, we believe real financial awareness starts with asking uncomfortable questions. Who benefits when markets rise? Who escapes when markets fall? And who is left holding the losses? If this story is making you think, make sure you're subscribed, because we share content like this every week, content designed to protect you, not sell you false hope. Today, the crypto market is trying to recover. New promises are being made. New trends are being pushed. But smart investors are more careful now. They ask questions. They diversify. They stop believing anyone who guarantees quick riches. If you or someone you know was affected by the crypto collapse, remember this: losing money does not mean losing intelligence or value. It means you trusted a system that wasn't fully honest, and learning from it is power. Before you go, I want you to do one thing. Share this video with someone who still believes crypto is risk-free. Start a conversation. Awareness spreads faster than silence. And let me know in the comments, do you think crypto will truly recover? Or was this collapse a warning sign we ignored for too long?
This is the silent truth, and sometimes the truth is uncomfortable, but it's always worth hearing.